Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're like me, you're always on the hunt for eco-friendly accommodations that don't break the bank. Today I'm sharing my top secrets to finding those green stays, even if you're traveling on a budget. First off, let's talk about booking platforms. Websites like EcoBnB and BookDifferent are game changers. They specialize in green accommodations and often have partnerships with sustainable lodgings, ensuring you're getting the best deal while being kind to the planet. Check them out before you finalize any booking. Another hot tip is to look for certifications. Keep an eye out for labels like Green Key, LEED, or EarthCheck. These certifications mean the accommodation has met rigorous sustainability standards, so you can rest easy knowing your stay is truly eco-friendly. Now let's talk about location. Staying in city centers or well-connected areas can cut down on your transportation emissions. Plus, you'll save money on taxis or car rentals. Opt for accommodations that offer bike rentals or are close to public transit, making it easy to explore sustainably. Don't overlook the power of reviews. Sites like TripAdvisor and Yelp are gold mines for finding honest feedback on a place's green practices. Look for comments about energy efficiency, water conservation, and waste management. Genuine reviews can give you the lowdown on whether a place walks the talk. Next up, consider alternative accommodations. Think outside the box: eco-friendly hostels, farm stays, and even camping. These options not only tend to be cheaper, but also offer unique experiences that traditional hotels can't match. Plus, you'll often get closer to nature, which is a win-win. And here's a pro tip: reach out directly to the accommodation. Ask them about their green practices and if they offer any discounts for eco-conscious travelers. You'd be surprised at how many places are willing to give you a deal if they know you're prioritizing sustainability. Lastly, be mindful of your own habits. Simple actions like reusing towels, taking shorter showers, and turning off lights can make a big difference. Being a responsible guest helps support the accommodation's sustainability efforts and sets a positive example for others. So there you have it, folks. Scoring eco-friendly stays on a budget is totally doable with a bit of research and smart planning. Remember, every green choice we make adds up to a healthier planet. Happy travels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel tips. See you next time.